English, so you come. We need who speak English and also capable to do the religious service.
Right.
And then we say talk, and then I applied permanent visa.
Yeah.
I didn't know that time, but somebody applied.
Yeah.
And then got here, and they said the green card in Kennedy Airport, and then
Yeah.
very happy,
Yeah.
no bother.
It's good.
Yeah, here is the system is best in the world.
Yeah.
I've been in Nepal, India, Thailand, and too much corrupted.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Whose picture is that?
Dalai Lama.
When he was young?
Huh?
When he was young?
Young.
Oh, okay.
No, this been here 40 years.
Oh, okay.
No, more than 50 years. That time no picture.
I've never
People
seen.
draw.
Yeah.
I've never seen his picture like young like that.
Yeah, it's everybody, is young people.
Right. Did you come to Washington D.C. when the Dalai Lama came, like 2 years ago in summer?
No, before I've been there for demonstration.
Yeah.
Because